That's what we are going there. Yan mga guys, pupunta kami mag-walking. Okay, let's go, Stewart. Oh, you see? I told you it's gonna work out. Stewart, come. Stewart, drive your bicycle. You don't want to buy. You don't want your bicycle? Oo. Try nga natin tong laruan na ito. Kung maganda ba ang quality. Ang cute nga lang, ang cute. Why you are sad? It's too cold again. So you want to go home now? Tingnan mo yung beach, oh. Sinisip niya yung bulaklak. Ooh.
Why be eating a flower?
No, he's not eating. He's sucking that one, the water of the flowers.
Yeah.
You are cold?
Yeah.
No, you go and then you go back. Hello, hello. Mahangin pa rin mga guys. Mahangin. You know. Huh? You don't like in the park, so what do you want? Madali lang siya malubat mga guys. Kacha-charge ko lang siya eh. Chris, where are you going? Oh, napakahangin. Grabe yung hangin. Si Iris kawawa naman. Wala kasing simento dito. Oy, it's gonna rain now. Let's go now. Let's go. Stewart. Iris.
What?
Can you speak British accent?
I don't know how to speak that.
You know how?
Is it like Filipino?
No, it's not Filipino.
I don't
Say
know.
Filipino.
Pino.
Filipino.
Shina.
Stewart, careful.
Odo.
Say Filipino.
Pino.
Bayang Magiliw.
I'm a kilo. What?
What?
It's super dirty.
No, yeah, don't touch it. Bayang Magiliw.
I'm a kilo. No, people.
Gaganda ng mga caravan. Ay, may caravan sila na ano, oh, yung horse. Para sa horse yan eh. Para yan sa horsey.